Hey guys, I just ran into a bit of really interesting news, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So, if you haven't heard of this website called Sci-Hub, it's essentially a website that has actually been around, as I've just noticed, since September 2011. And they've made millions of papers and publications of research for free. Now, if you don't know why this is a big deal, is because a lot of universities like MIT, uh, Yale, a lot of prestigious schools actually have a paywall in which you have to pay to read one paper, one research paper. Each research paper you want to read, you got to pay for, or attend that university for that information. So with this, we have essentially made this information free and free for other countries to learn and develop and work upon our research, on each other's research, essentially. I highly suggest everybody go check it out. It's got a whole bunch of information. It tells you basically why it's so important for educational purposes, because I really think education already should be free. Knowledge to all. We fight inequality in knowledge. Access around the world. The scientific knowledge should be available for every person regardless of their income, social status, and geographical location. Our mission is to remove any barrier which impedes the widest possible distribution of knowledge in human society. No copyrights. Advocate for cancellation of intellectual property or copyright laws for scientific and educational resources. And I just want to show an example real quick, because I want to show this to people. So here's normally an article, right? Cannabinoid interventions for PTSD. Where to next? So someone wrote a paper. These people worked on it, and you can read the abstract of what it's about, and that is it. There's no more information about this research. The way you get the rest of this research to be able to read it, besides the keywords and the abstract, is to get access. It's $39.95. Or if you already go through an institution, right? Like if you're attending that university. The rest of us and other countries have to pay for that. Now, apparently a workaround is we take this and we bring it over here to Sci-Hub. And it's as easy as Control-V or copy and paste. And here is the article, 17 pages, all the information here. Here's the abstract, here's the introduction, everything, multiple pages. Chemical structures of cannabinoid receptors. All this research. Here we go. The pain models of mice and antiseptic effects of saliva is a Mexican plant used not only for rituals but also a traditional medicine for pain relief. It is one of the most bioactive compounds which acts centrally as an opioid receptor. And here's the abstract, and you can read a little bit. You could read the conclusion of what they concluded from the research. Now, this is not the whole story. This is not all their research. It is not showing their control groups. It is not showing how many participants, which i.e. mice, they had in the research. It does not show if they had a double-blind study or did they have enough participants. What happened? Were they controlling for more variables? Were they not? All that information is kind of not here. And it might still not be in the paper, but again, the big thing here is the paywall. This one, it's a little bit cheaper, but it's $35.95 to read that article. Again, all we have to do is copy here, paste it right over. And here we have the paper. The study, the conclusion, the introduction, the animals, how much they weighed, grouped in 6 animals were used in the study, and blah, 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 and all the research. Now, it might not be interesting or something you want to read, but out of 80 million publications and papers, it is definitely important to scientists and other people around the world. And I think it should be important to all of us. So that's why I made this quick little video. And if you guys could share, that'd be great. If you guys want more information, and I can make it a second video following up and giving more information on the topic, I would definitely love to do that. So again, go check it out. I think it's very important that we preserve this.